y'all, this is Chy'Ann Galore, where we design in faith and more, and this is my first YouTube tutorial. I am so excited. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I don't want to do too much talking. If you would like, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you'll be updated for the next video. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to open up Photoshop, create a new file. The document size we'll be using will be 1080 by 1080 pixels. The resolution will be 300 and the background color will be black. And then say OK and press create. After that, we're going to use the text tool over here. Enter the letter that you will be using. I'm using letter A. You can use any other letter, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to scale it to your liking and put it in the middle of the document. We're going to be using this effect that I created. This will be in the description below, free to download in my Gumroad page. If you would like to make this on your own, then we will do a separate tutorial, but for now we're going to use the one that I have already set up. And then after that, we're going to duplicate it, so Control J. A copy, we're going to go to filter, then Gaussian blur, say convert to smart object, and use the radius 45, say OK. Trust the process. It's not going to look like this, okay? We're going to add an adjustment layer / new fill, and it's going to be the gradient map right here. Double click the gradient map, and we're going to use this one. I will also link this in the description below. We're going to use the folder cold, and we're going to use this one right here. We're going to change this one into a charcoal type of color, and then say OK, and say OK. So now we have that glow effect going on. After that, we're going to add a green on top of this, so go to new fill, solid color. It really doesn't matter which color you use, but for this example, just use gray, any type of gray. Go to filter, then go to noise, add noise, convert to smart object, use the amount 45, that's fine, say OK. Then we're going to change the blending mode right here and change it to overlay. The opacity will be 20, so it's more subtle. And then after that, we can add some sparkles. So add a new layer, go to brush. I will also link these brushes in the description below so you can download them. This was also free. So I use this size, 161 pixels, and then I just randomly choose wherever I want to make it sparkle. To make them brighter, let me delete one. To make it brighter, we can go to the blending mode and change it to linear dodge, and it'll make it more brighter. And that's how you create a glowy effect on text. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time, y'all. Have a blessed one. Peace.